This is Chaz Porter with FSR, and we're here at InfoComm 2026 looking at our TSC family of touchscreen covers for touchscreens. We started out with a surface mount unit about 2 years ago, and we have since expanded the line to have a number of different functions and features. We now have lockable boxes in a 7-inch and a 10-inch. We have a combination lock version of those same boxes. They mount in between the touchscreen and the work box. We have models that have combination locks, so if you're worried about losing the key, we could do this model here. We also have flush mount versions in the 7 and 10, which have a pop-open door. If you want to use the lock or not, doesn't matter. I can just latch that door and it stays shut. And this year we've also introduced a version that mounts on the wall for block wall gymnasiums, anywhere you want to mount it exterior to the surface. It has that same latching feature as our flush mount, and again available in a 10-inch and a 7-inch model here. For information on these products or any other FSR products, visit our website at www.fsrinc.com.